Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo Tennis. To begin, familiarize yourself with the basic controls. Use the left stick for player movement across the court, covering all four corners. Press the button for a standard shot and B for a lob. When serving, toss the ball up and hit it at the peak of its arc for maximum power. Aim for the corners of the service box to make it difficult for your opponent to return. Practice these fundamentals to build a strong foundation for your game. Next, let's master advanced shot techniques. To apply topspin, hit the ball while moving forward, causing it to dip sharply over the net. For a slice, hit while moving backward, making the ball skid low. Execute a drop shot by gently tapping the button when close to the net, aiming for the opponent's forecourt. A powerful smash requires precise timing. Hit the ball at its highest point when it's directly overhead. These three distinct shot types will keep your opponent guessing. Strategic court movement is crucial for success. Always try to return to the center of the baseline after each shot, covering approximately 1/2 of the court. Anticipate your opponent's next move by observing their player's position and swing animation. If they are far to one side, hit the ball to the opposite corner, forcing them to run a long distance. Utilize the entire court from the baseline to the net to create openings and control the rally. This will give you a significant advantage. Finally, consistent practice is key to improving your Nintendo Tennis game. Spend at least 15 minutes in training mode each day, focusing on your serve accuracy and return consistency. Challenge yourself by playing against computer opponents at increasing difficulty levels, from easy to expert. After each match, take a moment to analyze your performance. Identify 2 or 3 areas where you can improve, such as your net play or backhand shots, and work on them in your next session. Enjoy the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.